Welcome again to my channel, where I talk about the best DeFi projects to earn passive income with. We are a few days away from the Animal Farm relaunch, and the price of pigs, which is the native token of the Animal Farm ecosystem, is going up to the right, as expected. The marketing campaign for the Animal Farm is at full speed on Twitter and YouTube, and people start to realize that they need the native pigs token to earn BUSD dividends. The easiest way to get pigs is to use the swap page, where you buy pigs with BUSD. People who use non-native staking pools or farms to earn dogs should be staking the dogs to earn pigs so they can get in the pig pen. You want to have a substantial presence in the pig pen because all the yield generated from the PancakeSwap rehypothecation lending goes to the pigpen stakers. I have 80 pigs staked in the pigpen. Multiply 80 with the current pig's price, and you will agree with me when I say that this is a nice amount to get started. If you are selling your dogs, you really are leaving money on the table. You will not build a position in the pigpen and you won't get any of the benefits of the 30 to 40% APY earnings from PancakeSwap. You should try to profit from all the benefits of the system, so pigs' ownership benefits are clear. Pigs not only give you ownership of the farm, they also give you a vote, a share of all the fees which are generated on the platform, and it gives you 1/3 of all the capital generated through the dog's taxes and the 3% burn rate on pigs. It's really nothing less than impressive how this ecosystem has been set up from scratch, and built out to generate money on autopilot. No financial advice, but you can bet that it won't take long before the price of pigs breaks the all-time high, and from there, the sky's the limit. On the other hand, the price of drip is still hanging around the bottom price of $5, $6, but I don't worry about that. Drip is still paying out 1% per day, while other projects dry out or steal from their investors. I won't share any names here, but if you are in DeFi for some time, you know which platforms I mean. As long as drip is below 2 digits, I will keep buying more drip to grow my balance. This is my first wallet. I also have another wallet that I use to do airdrops to my team. Let me show you my Dripaholics account, and how much drip I have there. Right now I have 19 people in my team, and some of them have also created their own team, which is a smart move if you want to add more drip to your balance fast. Just make sure that you have some BREEP tokens in your wallet, or you won't receive drip rewards from your downline. The BREEP tokens can be bought on PancakeSwap by using the link at the top. Every Sunday I take out some of the drip rewards that I have collected, and airdrop it to my team members. If you're also interested in joining my team, and getting some free drip, check the Dripaholics team info below this video. One of the reasons for the low drip price is because people are claiming and selling the daily drip rewards to buy BUSD and BNB, and pair it with drip in the farms to yield dogs and pigs. I have not sold any drip so far, and I don't plan to sell any. The Faucet is my major money game, and I will keep compounding until I hit maximum payout. When that happens and I can no longer compound, I will open a new wallet, airdrop my drip rewards to that new wallet, and start all over again. Drip is king. Period. If you are not already in drip, and want to know how to get started from scratch, check out my free drip tutorial in which I explain all the steps to take. I will show you how to install a MetaMask wallet, how to connect your wallet to the Binance Smart Chain, how to buy your first drip tokens with BNB and earn 1% per day in the Faucet. The link to my ebook is below this video. Remember that I am not a financial advisor. I only show you what I do, and I make these videos for entertainment purposes only. Always do your own research before you put in your money in any DeFi project, and never invest money that you can't afford to lose. Anyway, back to the Animal Farm. Let me explain my personal strategy to earn as much money as possible from this amazing ecosystem. If you have any assets that you don't use in your wallet or crypto exchange, like BUSD, Ethereum, Cake or BNB, you can put it in the single staking pools to generate dogs. You can use these dogs to earn pigs in the dogs staking pool. This is the only pool where you can earn pigs. Or you can choose to put your dogs in the dog pound. The dog pound is the Animal Farm's loyalty reward system where you earn BNB dividends which are generated from all dogs' taxes. Or you can use the Auto Dog Pound, which puts your earned BNB to work by pairing it with dogs and staking it into the dog's BNB farm, earning you compound interest in both BNB and dogs. I prefer to earn pigs with my dogs, so my strategy is to put my dogs in the single staking pool and put the pigs' rewards in the pigpen to get a bigger share of the ecosystem and earn more BUSD dividends. The piggy bank is the place where you pay your pigs and BUSD tokens to earn 3% dividends per day. It's similar to the drip garden, where you pay a drip with BUSD. How much you earn will depend on the time lock and the amount of times you compound. The longer you lock up your LP tokens, the higher your starting bonus will be at the end of the staking period. If you claim your LP tokens out of the piggy bank, you can remove the liquidity on PancakeSwap and get an even amount of pigs and BUSD, which you can reinvest in the pigpen or the farms. Use the liquidity link to quickly pair your pigs and BUSD tokens, and if you want to get in the drip garden, use the drip liberation link. Forex said that the drip liberation page will be inserted in the new dashboard after the farm has been launched. There's a lot of code to move from the old version, so this can take some time to complete. But knowing Forex, it will be done. The animal farm is truly what DeFi is supposed to be. A financial vehicle that allows people to get real financial utility in a way that is 100% dependent on their own actions. There's no centralized person or developer who is making all the decisions and who controls the system. Every investor in the farm earns the same as the owner of the protocol. Don't miss the boat. Pigs are already flying, and once the animal farm is working at full speed, you will not have a second chance to get in early. Okay, that's it for now. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. If you have any comments, feel free to drop them below or ask me anything in my Crypto Miners Telegram group. If you're also interested in making money with crypto, and you want to support my channel, please hit the like and subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get a notification when I post a new video. It will help my channel to reach more people and make crypto more popular, which is a good thing for all of us. Thanks for your support. Have a great day, and stay safe.